Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply Aruba online ED card. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this card is like a pre-registration form that is required when you enter Aruba, and it has a cost $20. That is also called the sustainable fee. Okay, now but you need to understand that this is not a visa, and just filling this up doesn't mean you are guaranteed to enter Aruba. Like you will have, of course, like a checks at the border. Okay, so in order to apply this, you need valid passport, personal detail, contact, travel. Okay, fine. So once you are ready, click on start. So it's asking for your arrival date, must be within 7 days. Okay, so we can select, let's say we are entering on Saturday. Are you a resident of Aruba? I select no. Okay. Next is you need to upload device level scan or select a photo. Means you can either scan or upload, and you need to put some sample data. Okay. So I'm trying to put some sample data, but you do it as per your own case. Oh, first you need to upload, and then system will scan it to um, get this data. Okay. So I'm gonna do this step, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay. So I did that, and once you upload, you have the option to change the details. Okay. Now I'm clicking on next. Okay. Country of departure. Travel mode, airline. Oh, they have all the details already. Wow. Wow. Departure when you are leaving. Let's say you're going there for a week. Now, your personal information. Okay. So country of residence. Wow. Just sample eyes. Oh, wow. I like this. I'm putting sample, but you do as per your own case. Occupation. Yeah. Purpose of visit. Dual citizenship. I have selected no, but if you have select yes and provide other information. How many prior visits to Aruba? Oh, I can select first. How did you book your trip? I select website. How did you find it out? Internet. Why did you pick up Aruba? Yeah, anything. Place of stay. I select hotel. Wow, excellent. Like they have all the information. Refund. Your email address. Wow. Next is the review. You need to review everything. And after disclaimer, you're going to go to the next screen where you have to submit. But of course, I'm not going to do that. But this is how simply you can do this on your own. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.